Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account, so jump straight into Keyword Planner and choose the Discover New Keywords tool. Enter 3-5 seed terms or a landing page to surface relevant ideas. This is faster than guessing. Once done, set location, language, and a recent 30-day window so results match current search intent. Make sure to switch the network to Google Search only for cleaner CPC data. These steps align the tool with your campaign objective, so you get usable keyword candidates immediately. Now refine the output. Apply filters for average monthly searches, competition level, and top-of-page bid ranges to surface realistic opportunities. You should group keywords by intent, commercial versus informational, because bids and landing pages differ. Once grouped, scan term overlap and long-tail phrases that indicate buying intent. These often have lower CPC and higher conversion rates. Export the CSV and merge it with any existing negative keywords so you remove irrelevant queries before they waste spend. This step, choose your final keywords and arrange them into tightly themed ad groups, aiming for 3-7 terms per group so ads stay relevant. Assign match types, exact when you need control, phrase for balanced reach, and use broad match carefully with smart bidding. Create forecasts using the planner to estimate clicks and costs before launching. If you see low volume or unexpectedly high CPCs, troubleshoot by testing phrase variations, reducing bid limits, expanding to nearby locales, or adding refined negative keywords to cut wasted spend quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.